Hello everyone and welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today we have a 2022 Lexus NX 350 F Sport Series 2 in the color Ultrasonic Blue MICA 2.0. This is a 2.4-liter 8-speed automatic with LED headlamps and 20-inch alloy wheels. Moving to the driver's side, we have mirror-mounted turn signals and keyless entry. On your door panel, you have memory seating, automated mirror, lock, and window buttons. You have an 8-way automated driver's seat in the color Circuit Red. On your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth, cruise control, and other vehicle maintenance information that can be shown in your front digital display. Moving to center console, you have a multi-way display touchscreen. Here you can find radio controls, Bluetooth Connect, navigation, and other vehicle functions. On the bottom of the screen, you have heated and cooling seats, heated steering wheel, and climate controls. Moving down, we have your mode selector, wireless charging pad, with a small storage compartment underneath, your cup holders, and armrest storage compartment. On your headliner, you have touch lights and panoramic sunroof controls. Coming to the back passenger area, you have keyless entry, manual fold-down seats, and a middle armrest with cup holders. Heading into the back trunk area, where you have lots of storage space, as well as a hidden storage compartment with your spare tire underneath. When done, simply push the hatch button and the NX will automatically lock. When done, simply push the hatch button and it will automatically close.